This is an introduction to the self-service procurement module demonstrating submittal of a payment request form. You can access self-service by logging into your mymoreheadstate.edu account. Select the self-service link. Depending on your employment status, you may have different tiles available on the self-service landing page. To enter a payment request, select Financial Management, and then the Procurement tile. The View tab displays previously created requisitions, purchase orders, and payment requests. There is filtering ability for quick access to particular documents. To create a new document, select the Create tab. From the document type box, you can enter either requisitions or payment request. The request date will auto-populate with the current date. The confirmation email address will auto-populate with the initiator's email. You can modify this address or add an additional email address to receive notifications of payment request creation and any status updates. The Next Approvers box should be left blank. It will auto-populate. Internal comments should be used to indicate if the payment request is being issued to an MSU employee. This will alert Accounting and Financial Services to issue a direct deposit for the employee instead of a paper check. For reimbursement information, indicate if the reimbursement is for the initiator. Or enter an individual or a vendor's name using the search box. If you do not see the vendor available, please contact Procurement Services to have the vendor added to the vendor file. The individual or vendor's address will auto-populate. If the address associated with the vendor is not correct, please add the correct address into the internal comments field, and the payment request will be updated. Invoice number and invoice date are optional fields and should be entered if known. The AP type will either be employee reimbursement or vendor payable. Tax code fields 1, 2, and 3 should be left blank. You should provide information regarding this purchase by selecting Add Item. Enter the item description. Enter the quantity of items to purchase. Enter the per unit price. The extended price will auto-calculate. You can begin entering an account number and select the correct general ledger account number from the auto-populated selection. Enter the amount to charge this general ledger account. Multiple account numbers can be added for each item if necessary. The system will confirm if there are available funds within this general ledger account before letting you continue. If additional items need to be submitted, select Add Item. After all items have been added, select Save and Attach. All payment requests must be submitted with supporting documentation such as an invoice, receipt, or travel expense voucher. To upload attachments, select Choose File. From your desktop, open the selected file and upload. Multiple documents may be attached to each purchase payment request. Upon submittal of attachments, a payment request voucher is assigned. The ability to manage attachments is available, and email notifications have automatically been generated to the initiator and approvers. To modify a payment request after submittal, select the View tab. Select the appropriate payment request. A voucher detail screen appears offering tabs for Overview of document information, the list of approvers. Here you can see that one person has approved and we're still awaiting approval from the other. And then detailed line items. You can edit this voucher by selecting the pencil icon. Making modifications of a payment request after submittal will regenerate status emails to all parties. Or you can void the voucher. If voiding a payment request, a pop-up box will appear allowing the addition of internal comments. If you have questions regarding payment requests, please contact Accounting and Financial Services at 783-2019.